It's Mikayla here. So something I love to do in my off time is do some healthy baking and cooking, and not only does it keep me fueled throughout the week, but I also get up really early for work, so it's really important that I have something that I can easily grab on the go that's full of whole grains, fats and proteins that not only keeps me energized throughout the day, but also keeps me full as well. The guys at Eimele have been so generous to send me some of their new meal replacement shakes in my favorite vanilla flavor. So I will be doing a quick little recipe of peanut butter blueberry profin. Yes, I mean it's protein muffin. So without further ado, I will get started and show you how I make my delicious muffins. With the quantities, you can easily change it up, make pancakes, waffles, cookies, anything like that. So it's really simple. I've just got here some oat flour. It's basically just oats that I bought at the store and I blended it in my blender. I'm going to be putting 1 1/4 cup. My next little ingredient is maca powder. If you don't have this at home, it's completely fine. I really love the flavor, and it's also been known to help balance hormones. So I do about 2 teaspoons in that one. And of course, I'm going to be adding 1 packet of Eimele's new protein. It smells so good. To make sure that these rise a little bit, I'm also going to be doing a teaspoon of baking powder, as well as about a pinch of salt. That's all of the dry ingredients, so I'm just going to be giving that a stir around. So next up are the wet ingredients. I like to do my maple and my peanut butter and heat it up in the microwave. I just think it blends better together. So I have 1/4 cup of maple syrup. But you can also do rice malt, honey. I also here have some peanut butter. It's also got some hemp seeds in it. Hemp seeds are a really good fatty acid, and they're also high in protein as well. So it's just an extra bit of a protein boost. And I do 1/2 cup of peanut butter, because peanut butter is literally my life. I'm the biggest peanut butter advocate you will find. I also add to that about a cap of vanilla. So with that, I give it a little bit of a stir. I didn't think that through. Anyway, a little bit of a stir, and I will add that into the microwave. So I put that in for about 20 seconds. I do a little well in my bowl and add that delicious mixture. I've also got here some chia egg that I made. I did 3 teaspoons of chia seeds and added around about 9 teaspoons of hot water. I've also got a cup of soy milk here. I don't add the whole cup, I just add in as it goes, just to make sure that I don't go too over the top. Just start off giving that a quick stir, adding little bit by little bit of the soy milk. I probably put around 3/4 cup of soy milk in, and I've got it to this consistency here. I want to make sure it's not too wet, just because I am adding frozen blueberries. They will start to get the water out of it as they cook, obviously, because they'll be defrosting. It looks so pretty. So I have the oven preheating on 170 degrees. I have quickly sprayed these with some olive oil spray. So it might need more than 30 minutes, might need less. It's all kind of what you like it. So that is what they look like. And I'll pop those in the oven now. Half an hour is done, and I'm just letting them sit in the oven to cool down a little bit and just cook through. After that, I will rest them on the bench for around 15 minutes before I give them a taste. So fingers crossed that they taste good, but they smell pretty amazing, so I have high hopes. Somebody is very interested in them as well. They taste so good, and the vanilla flavor of the protein is so amazing. They're easily interchangeable. You can use sunflower butter or tahini instead of peanut butter if you want to make them nut-free, or carrot and sultanas if you want to make a carrot cake version. I can't wait to eat a couple more I've already eaten a couple, I'm not gonna lie though. Thank you so much, Eimele, for sending us this amazing protein, and Miss Universe and Pink Tag Events for giving us this amazing opportunity. So I hope if you make them that you really enjoy them as much as I do. Bye! Want some? Some muffins?